Hello. Today I'm gonna ask random people a question, and if they get it right, I'm gonna 3D print them. Let's get started.
What?
If you win, I'm gonna 3D print you in real life. Okay? If you answer this right. If you answer this right. Okay?
What? Okay.
What is 21 plus 49?
Wait. Sorry, I dropped my headset. It's 30.
No, it's not.
Wait, no, what did you say again? I thought you said...
What's 21 plus 49?
Hey, Siri. 40.
If you answer this question, I will 3D print you in real life. Okay? Okay. What is 21 plus 105?
You know who's
21 plus 105?
Dragon?
21 plus 105.
That's
Yeah.
126, I believe.
Yes, you are correct. Congratulations.
Wait, say the
Oh,
You're my
you
first
gonna
winner.
Print me in real life now?
Yeah, 3D print you. Can I just like see your avatar real quick? If you want to change it, you can if you want.
No one buy it.
Alright, yeah, I want to change.
It's a fly.
Let me just take it off.
Bro, you didn't have to take it off. I'm joking, bro.
No, I'm putting these on.
Okay, that's what you want me to print you as?
Yes. Oh, wait,
Okay,
let
I'll
me
try my
clean
best.
That pot real quick, bro. Let me clean the pot.
Okay.
Ooh, a lot of dust coming off. Alright, come on. All that dust.
21 plus 103.
That is 100.
Sorry.
It is.
Bro.
I'm not gonna 3D print you now.
Minus.
I said
He
plus.
said plus.
No, he said minus.
Say dragon.
Next
He's a
lobby.
meanie.
I'll 3D print a miniature version of these because I'm nice.
You got the answer wrong.
Yeah, I'm 3D
You
printing
got
you.
the answer wrong.
No, you got it right.
Yo, red.
I am gonna 3D print you, but small.
Put his
Okay?
sister. Watch this. Put your
21
sister on the line. Put your sister on the mic
plus
again.
150 is not what he said.
I said 21. I gave you guys different questions.
I would tell my mommy that she has a boyfriend.
Well, if he got it wrong.
You. If you answer this question right, I'm gonna 3D print you in real life. Okay? What's 21 plus 5? You win. Okay. And so I'm gonna 3D print you now. Congratulations. If you get this right, I'm gonna 3D print you in real life. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What's 21 plus 30?
Bro, that's so easy. That's two. Wait. That's 21,030.
Answer the question.
52. I mean, it's 51. It's 51.
Yep, correct.
51.
Now I'm gonna 3D print you.
Bro, you're
Congratulations.
It's you and me, ay, it's what you need, ay. I got it now. I gotta know right now. I gotta know right now. You're not the one when it's said and done. It's okay, baby, nothing really lasts forever.